Students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. You have enjoyed your holidays. Okay, now our chapter number 7 is water and us. As we know that water is our basic need, we cannot live without water because water is very important for us. It is essential for plants and animals also. We need food to live, we need air to live. Besides food and air, we need water also. So we need water to live because it helps us to regulate our body temperature and it is important for our growth also. So how do you feel if you do not drink water for a long time and especially in summer season? तो अभी अगर हम आपको बहुत ज़्यादा देर के लिए पानी ना दें तो क्या होगा? You feel thirsty and uneasy, isn't it? Yes, this is true that if we are thirsty and we will not get water, then we feel uneasy. We cannot live without water because water is important for us to live. It keeps us healthy and it is important for our growth also. It does not give us any nutrient value, but it is important for our digestion process, our excretion process and so on. Different uses of water. So you can see in your house that mama uses water for different purposes, like for washing clothes, watering the plants, drinking, bathing, washing the utensils, cooking food, extinguishing fire in case of emergency and cleaning the house. These are the most common uses in which we need water. So you read different uses of water. Water is used in washing clothes, watering the plants, washing the utensils, in cooking food, cleaning the house and so on. The pictures above show activities that involve the use of water. So अभी हमने जितनी भी pictures देखी उनमें हमने सबने क्या देखा? That there is uses of water. Yes, different uses of water. Now what we have to do? There is an activity we have to do. Arrange these activities on the basis of amount water needed, in which we need maximum amount of water. It will come on first. So maximum water, we can see different activities on our screen. So सबसे ज़्यादा पानी हमें किस में लगेगा? In case of extinguishing fire, है ना, आग बुझाने में, if there is any emergency. नेक्स्ट इज वॉशिंग क्लॉथ्स, क्योंकि मम्मा को बहुत सारे क्लॉथ्स को वॉश करना होता है तो उसमें बहुत सारा पानी भी चाहिए होता है. वॉशिंग यूटेंसिल्स, सारा दिन मम्मा को किचन में काम है, मम्मा खाना बना रहे हैं तो यूटेंसिल्स धोने का काम बहुत सारा हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज क्लीनिंग द हाउस, बाथिंग, कुकिंग, वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स एंड ड्रिंकिंग. Now, what are the properties of water? Have you seen any color of water? No. We make colored water on Holi by using different colors, but basically water has no color, no smell or no taste. It gets its color and taste from whatever we add to it. हमारे पास हम पानी पीते हैं, कोई पानी का टेस्ट नहीं होता, ना तो वो सॉल्टी होता है, ना वो स्वीट होता है, ना वो बिटर होता है. सो बेसिकली हम जो भी उसमें ऐड करते हैं उसकी वजह से उसमें टेस्ट आता है. लाइक इफ़ वी ऐड शुगर देन इट विल स्वीट, if we add salt then it will be salty, and if we add different types of squashes like ruabza or so many things, we have tang or glucon D, like these things, so उसमें उसको taste मिल जाता है. And if we use any color or turmeric then it will give its color. Water has no shape. Have you seen in freezer mama uses different types of ice trays, ice cubes फ्रीज करते हैं, बनाते हैं हम बाय कीपिंग वाटर इन द आइस ट्रेस. सो जो भी उस आइस ट्रे का शेप होता है, लाइक मम्मा डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ शेप्स लेकर आते हैं आपको हैप्पी करने के लिए. सो वाटर टेक्स द शेप ऑफ द वेसल्स एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सी इफ यू fill the water bottle, water takes the shape of water bottle. If you pour water into the glass, then it takes the shape of the glass. Water in our homes. So how do we get water? We don't have any well or any hand pump in our house. So how do we get? We get drinking water through taps. Yes, we have fresh water taps in our homes. So before it reaches our home, it is purified by big machines. Water basically जहाँ से भी आता है वहाँ से क्लीन नहीं होता, जहाँ पे से यूज़ किया जा सके उसको डायरेक्टली. सो देयर आर बिग वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स जहाँ पे वाटर को ट्रीट यानी कि साफ़ किया जाता है, क्लीन किया जाता है बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट मेथड्स. So herein you can see there is a river. From this river water comes to water treatment plant where there are different types of tanks are here in which water is cleaned. Then it comes to the reservoir. Reservoir is the water storage place, and then it comes to our house with the help of pipes. So after purification, water is collected in big tanks called reservoirs. You have seen in the picture. From these tanks, it reaches to our homes through the help of big pipes. Every house in a colony gets the water from the same tank. In with that colony you live, all the neighbors get the same water from the same place. However, in slum areas are those areas where people are temporarily live, they don't have any pakka house and so on. So there is a common tap where people gather to collect water. So they have to do struggle. हमें पानी भरना है तो हमें कोई struggle नहीं करना पड़ता. We have fresh water taps. पानी अपने आप आ जाता है, नहीं तो हम मोटर का स्विच ऑन कर देते हैं, देन वाटर कम्स और हम स्टोरेज कर लेते हैं पानी की, एंड देन वी विल यूज़. और वी हैव सबमर्सिबल्स ऑल्सो एट आवर होम. बट इन स्लम एरियाज देर इज no specific pakka houses, so there are no water facilities are there. So there is a common tap where people gather to collect water. Water takes the dash of the vessel into which it is put. This is shape. Water is collected in big tanks called dash reservoirs. Reservoirs are the big tanks where we store water. Now we are moving to our next page. Do you know, in some places underground water comes out of ground in the form of water spring. So first of all we have to know that what is underground water. When rain comes, some water goes into the soil and it collected under the soil, so it will become underground water. So this underground water comes out of the ground in the form of a water spring, and sometimes this water is hot, so it is called hot water spring. Sometimes it has minerals, so that springs are called mineral water springs. Minerals are the substances which are present under the earth. Underground water. Some water goes into the soil. This is called underground water. As I told you that when rain comes, some water goes into the soil and it will become underground water. Wells, tube wells, submersibles are dug to get this water. Hand pumps are also used in that areas where electricity is not available, because hand pumps are manually used. We have to move up and down its handle to pull out the water. In many villages in India, people draw water from wells, tube wells, hand pumps. Some people also use water from lakes, rivers and streams. But before using it, it should be clear that water should be cleaned and purified, because dirty water can cause many diseases like jaundice, typhoid, because it has germs. So water should be kept in containers and containers should be covered, so we can prevent germs and dust from entering it. In the rainy season, like abhi monsoon season shuru ho raha hai, so tap water sometimes become unfit to drink. We cannot use the tap water directly for drinking because it has germs. When we find the water dirty, we should first clean it. And how can we clean it? We can boil the water. In kitchens we have ROs. Boiling also kills the germs. We can use different types of water filters, like you can see in the picture. First is the boiling water. We should not waste it, we must save it. Second is the water filter, and third is the electric water filter. And we have ROs or electric water filters in our kitchens. Which method is used to clean water? Boiling, filtering, both A and B. Answer should be A and B. We can use boiling method, we can use filtering method. Filtering method is that method in which insoluble impurities will be filtered. उसको छान लिया जाएगा by using a filter. Which one is a source to get underground water? This is hand pump, tube well, or both A and B. Answer will be both A and B. Now we are going to our next page. Storing water. How can we store water? So we have different types of containers in our homes. Like first of all, the biggest one, it is a tank. हम सबकी रूफ टॉप्स पे रखे हुए हैं ब्लैक कलर के, वाइट कलर के, प्लास्टिक के या सीमेंटेड वाटर टैंक्स जिनमें हम पानी को स्टोर करते हैं और सारा दिन यूज़ करते हैं. सो मोस्ट होम्स डू नॉट गेट वाटर सप्लाई द होल डे. हमारे घर पे भी सारा दिन पानी तो नहीं आता ना. सो वी शुड स्टोर वाटर. And these are the common containers, like we can use a jug or a drum or a bucket or a bottle or a tank. Do you know many cities and towns have developed near rivers? Yes, on the banks of the river. Name the rivers on which the following cities developed. Delhi is on Yamuna river. Kolkata is on Hooghly. Ahmedabad is on Sabarmati and Vijayawada is on Krishna river. Here you can see some water resources like stream, lake or pond. Now it's time for book part. We use a hand pump to draw dash water. Answer will be underground. So we use a hand pump to draw underground water. Next, we cannot live without dash. Answer will be water. We can not live without water. Fill in the blanks. We feel dash when we do not drink water for a long period of time. Answer is thirsty. Thirsty. Water has no color, no smell or no taste. 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 Dirty water can cause diseases. Yes, it can cause because it has germs and impurities in it. So jaundice and typhoid. In villages, people draw water from dash and dash. Wells and tube wells. WELLS wells. TUBEWELLS tube wells. Before water reaches our home, it is purified by big machines called water treatment plants. Circle the odd one. Playing, cooking, bathing and washing. So cooking, bathing and washing. In these three activities we use water. So we can put a circle on playing. River, sea, insect and lake. River, sea and lake are the water resources, but insect is not a water resource. It is a living organism. Pond, stream, river, disease. So answer will be disease. Write the names of the following pictures in the space provided. So first picture is of a water treatment plant where water is cleaned or purified so that we can use it. Second picture is of an electric water filter. Third picture is of a stream. For the next is, which you have to do by your own, join the dots and write the names of the pictures. First picture is of a pot. Second picture is of a well and third is a reservoir. Delhi developed on the river dash, Yamuna, Krishna or Sabarmati. Answer will be Yamuna. If we do not drink water for a long time, we feel dash, hungry, thirsty or healthy. Answer will be thirsty. Next is question answers, which we will do in our class, and we will learn it also. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day. Keep reading. Stay safe.